Have you ever been to a parade and watched a marching band? If you have, you may have noticed that people in a marching band are arranged or organized into rows and columns. It looks kind of like this. Notice how these objects are arranged in a very orderly fashion from left to right and up and down. That's what you're thinking about when you're thinking about arrays. You are thinking about rows and columns. Rows means that objects are arranged in a left to right fashion. So these are my rows here. In this arrangement, we have 3 rows. Columns means objects are arranged from up and down. So as you can see from this arrangement that we have here with the circles, there are 4 columns. You're going to pretend that all of these arrows that I've drawn are straight. Believe it or not, this is actually showing us multiplication and division. How is this showing us multiplication and division? Well, let's take a look over here. Here I have 1, 2, 3 rows. There's also 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. And all together, that's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 dots in total. So this array is in fact showing us 3 rows times 4 columns is equal to 12 in total. It just showed us that 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Crazy, right? Well, it gets even crazier because this same arrangement is also showing us the related division facts where 3 times 4 is equal to 12. When we do division, we think about how much we have in total. That's our first number. Well, we have 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in total. And then how many rows do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 rows. And how many columns do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Well, that's showing us that if we have 12 objects in total and we divide the 12 objects into 3 equal rows, we're going to have 4 columns. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Wow! Let's practice with multiplication. we're going to multiply 5 and 12. When I'm looking at 5 times 12 using arrays, I'm thinking that I have 5 rows and 12 columns. And I'm looking for my total number. I can find my total number by drawing out 5 rows and 12 columns. So I'm going to start with 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. This also shows 1 column. So I have my 5 rows. I need to draw 11 more columns. This is column number 2. Here's column number 3. Here's column number 4. If you were drawing this on paper, it would be much faster, but I'm using the Chromebook right now, so it's slow. This is column 5. And column 6. Here's column 7. Column 8. Column 9. Ten, 11, and 12. So now that I have 5 rows and 12 columns, I'm just going to double check that this is indeed 12 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can count up how much I have in total. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. I have 60 in total. So 5 rows times 12 columns is equal to 60 in total. All right, on to division. With division, let's say I'm doing a number such as, I'm going to say 48 divided by 3. And I want to know what that is equal to. My first number in division is always my total number. So I have 48 in total. And I'm thinking arrays right now. So I have 48 in total, and I'm dividing it into 3 rows. And if I do this, I want to find out how many columns I have. Well, first I'm going to draw for myself 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows. 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows. Next, I'm going to keep going until I get to the number 48. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Can I stop yet? I can't because I still haven't reached my total of 48. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. I finally reached my total of 48. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to count how many columns I have altogether because that's what I'm looking for. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 columns. That means that 48 divided into 3 rows is equal to 16 columns.